Unknown facts about space, YouTube script intro. Did you know space smells like seared steak? Or that there's a planet made of diamonds? Today I'm sharing mind-blowing facts about space that sound fake but are completely real. Hit subscribe and let's dive in. Fact 1. Space has a smell. Astronauts say their suits smell like hot metal and gunpowder after spacewalks. Scientists believe it's caused by particles called polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons that cling to the suits, the same compounds that make grilled meat smell smoky. Space literally smells like a cosmic barbecue. Fact 2. Massive water in space. There's a water cloud in space holding 140 trillion times more water than all Earth's oceans. It surrounds a quasar 12 billion light-years away. This proves water has existed almost since the beginning of the universe, changing everything we know about how common water might be in the cosmos. Fact 3. Venus Weird Day. One day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once but only 225 days to orbit the Sun. Even stranger, it rotates backwards, so the Sun rises in the west. Scientists think a massive collision early in its formation caused this bizarre spin. Fact 4. The Diamond Planet. Planet 55 Cancri E, located 40 light-years away, is made largely of diamond. At least a third of its mass could be pure diamond due to extreme pressure and heat. The surface reaches over 3,900 degrees Fahrenheit. This planet would be worth more than Earth's entire economy. Fact 5. Neutron star density. A teaspoon of neutron star material weighs 6 billion tons, the weight of Mount Everest in a sugar cube. These stars are only 12 miles wide but contain more mass than our Sun. If you dropped something from 1 meter up, it would hit the surface at 4 million miles per hour. Fact 6. Space is silent. Unlike movies, space is completely silent because sound needs air to travel. However, NASA converts electromagnetic waves into audio so we can hear space. Jupiter whistles, Saturn's rings hum, and black holes rumble. Space is silent but has its own strange symphony. Fact 7. Surviving in space. Without a spacesuit, you'd have about 15 seconds of consciousness. You wouldn't explode, but water on your tongue and eyes would boil due to low pressure. You'd get severe sunburn from radiation, swell up as water vapor forms in tissues, then pass out from oxygen loss. Death would follow in 1 to 2 minutes. Fact 8. More stars than sand. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth's beaches, roughly 200 billion trillion stars. If you counted one per second, it would take trillions of years. Each star could have its own planets and moons. The scale is almost incomprehensible. Fact 9. Mars giant volcano. Olympus Mons on Mars is the solar system's largest volcano, standing 16 miles high, 3 times Mount Everest's height. Its base covers an area the size of Arizona. Mars' lower gravity and stable crust allowed it to grow massive over billions of years. Fact 10. Time moves differently. Time isn't constant in space. Astronauts on the ISS age slightly slower than people on Earth due to weaker gravity and high speed. Near a black hole, hours could pass for you while years pass elsewhere. Time is relative, and space proves it. Fact 11. Coldest place. The coldest temperatures in the universe aren't in space, they're in Earth laboratories. Scientists have created conditions colder than the Boomerang Nebula by cooling atoms almost to absolute zero. At these temperatures, matter behaves in quantum ways we're still studying. Fact 12. Jupiter's eternal storm. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm bigger than 3 Earths that's been raging for over 350 years. Winds reach 400 miles per hour. With no land to slow it down and competing jet streams sustaining it, this storm could continue for centuries more. Fact 13. The universe is expanding faster. The universe isn't just expanding, it's accelerating. Galaxies are moving away from each other faster over time due to dark energy. Eventually, distant galaxies will move away so fast their light will never reach us. The universe will look emptier from Earth. Fact 14. Rogue planets. Billions of planets drift through space without orbiting any star. These rogue planets were ejected from their solar systems. Some may have moons and could theoretically harbor life using geothermal heat instead of starlight. Fact 15. Moon's effect on Earth. Without the moon, Earth days would only be 6 hours long. The moon's gravity gradually slows Earth's rotation. It also stabilizes our tilt, giving us consistent seasons. Without it, Earth's axis would wobble chaotically, making life much harder to sustain. Conclusion. These facts prove space is stranger than fiction. From diamond planets to time distortions, the universe constantly surprises us. We're still discovering new mysteries every year. What was your favorite fact? Drop it in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe for more space content, and hit the bell for notifications. Remember, we're all made of stardust floating through infinite space. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up. End screen.